Hello and welcome to this channel. My name is Ali and I'm working on this financial market for about 6 years. As a start, I'm going to speak about how can you follow this channel. This channel will help you how to analyze the market, how to understand all of the movement of the chart, and after that you can trade. On this channel we are going to speak about the forex, about the crypto market, about the index, how to analyze the chart, how to use all of the information, but be patient and don't forget to subscribe my channel absolutely. And I should say that all of this video is free and you shouldn't pay anything. And after that you can learn everything about the financial market. This video is from basic to professional and there is no different. Just I should say it again, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice time.